Hi, I'm Audrey with Therm-a-Rest, and I'm here to show you some tips and tricks so you can get the most out of your SpeedValve mattress. We're going to let you in on some secrets for laying out, inflating, and sealing your pad. After a long day on the trail, it's time to set up camp and get some well-deserved rest. When you roll out your pad for the night, you want to make sure the pad stays flat with no creases or folds. By keeping the pad completely flat, air can move freely into the pad. You can also hold the pad vertically so long as you keep the pad from bending or folding. Before inflating, double check that the black inner valve is laying flat and the small valve is completely closed. Hold the valve 6 inches away and blow into the pad. Too far and your pad won't get enough air. Too close, and your pad will take more breaths to inflate. Try to keep your breaths in line with the pad while blowing directly into the valve. To help you inflate your pad even faster, try rolling air down to the bottom of the pad between breaths. Now your air has less distance to travel during inflation. Between breaths, make sure to close the valve by pulling tight. This will prevent air from escaping during inflation. Now that we have a cushy place to sleep, it's time to create an airtight seal. Tuck the black inner valve flat into the pad and tightly fold the valve exactly 7 times. This will ensure that the pad won't lose air through the night. Simply rolling the valve or not folding the valve enough could lead to air loss and an uncomfortable night on the ground. So now you're a SpeedValve Pro. Get outside and rest better wherever your next adventure takes you. Is that it?